So we are launching here today a range which we call Reinvent Access. Reinvent is the name of the range because what we're showing you here is new, is path-breaking, and is cutting-edge technology that we want to offer you for your home, to secure your home, and not just to secure your home, but to ensure that the right people get in and the wrong people stay out.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome and congratulations to Hafele's latest new Reinvent Access range. It's unbreakable, it's unhackable, and definitely a lot more trustworthy. Wow. Congratulations to Hafele. Congratulations to Hafele India Private Limited. Hearty congratulations to you, Mr. Wolf. What a fantastic product range this is. I do congratulate every single one of the team members from Hafele India Private Limited. Thank you very much for that presentation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to the lovely ladies. You're looking gorgeous. Thank you. And now, of course, you want to get to know a little more about the product. Please help me welcome Product Manager, Architectural Hardware and Digital Door Solutions, Mr. Nikhil Jain.
Thank you all of you for being part of the great launch which we are having here. And indeed, it is time to reinvent security and reinvent access. But how do we do it the Hafele way? Well, we have our hero product in front of you, the Reveal. Well, why do we say the Reveal? And because you need the highest form of security for your house, this is our hero product. Reveal gives you a fingerprint access to your house. It is using a Silk ID fingerprint scanner, which is a Federal Bureau of Investigation approved. The security standard is so high, yes. It reads up to 100 such fingerprint scans and allow you into your house. It also gives you access through an RFID card scanner, which you usually use in a hotel. It's a MiFi technology. It allows you to use different passwords, different set of combinations of passwords. You can set 100 such passwords. And by the way, there is no number keypad. The lock has got its own touch screen. It also gives you the basic solutions of a mechanical key in case you need those keys. But why do we call this as a hero product? Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you India's first ever face recognition lock. You can enter your house by just a smile. Okay? Let me show you how does this work. It scans 170 facial expressions on your face. That means it measures the distance between your nose and your eyebrows. It measures the distance between your nose and your ear. Reveal also gives you a set of authorities. That means the main person of the house can be the super admin, getting into all the setting of the locks. There can be next in command, which is the admin, who can add new users but does not need to get into the advanced setting. Well, for the kids who just need to get in the house and get out of the house, you got to make them users so that they don't change the settings of the lock. But we do take care of the guest coming in the house. You can set up your guest password, which is a one-time password, and after the guest visit is done, this password gets expired. Well, coming back to the face recognition, you must be wondering, what if the light outside the door is not good? Or what if it is pitch dark? Don't worry about it. The lock knows its master even if it is pitch dark.